Guys, welcome to MTV Cribs. I want to show you my house and my new digs for the week. Check it out. Let's get out here and see where the magic happens. All right, first things first, guys, you got to check out my pool area, guys. We got our own private pool. If I can figure out how to open up the gate, got to have two hands, but I can do it with one. Check it out. Rocking out the kidney bean pool for the day. No knockoffs here, guys. No knockoffs at all. Kidney bean all the way. No pinto, no black bean, kidney bean. Stays warm all year round. Catch your suntan. Oh yeah, I can't wait. Guys, y'all know I like orange so much. I even got an orange water hose, man, to match all my gear. And check out the new C-Tech stuff here. Hats, shirts, all coming in clutch. All right, well, let's check it out. Let's get on the elevator of the house. And down here on the ground floor, we got the elevator. We also have the hidden room here. It stays locked up for good. Let's check out what we got in here. Oh yeah. Guys, our own private elevator. It's gonna take us up to the suites. Let's go to floor 2. All right, let's check out the first floor here. I can't get out, I'm stuck. Take 2. Hi! We got the La Familia showing up out here. Guys, we're on the main floor. We got the kitchen area. Stocked with our cooler beverages, man. We got some A-Bomb energy drinks. We got the Coca-Cola, the Dr. Pepper. And we've got snacks galore. Everything here. We got some tunes, we got some towels, we got the grand kitchen area where we all gonna sit and eat. Let's go out here and check the first balcony out. Woo. As you can see here, guys, it is breezy, it is windy, but it is beautiful out here. And here we are at Port St. Joe. Yeah. Let's keep on moving. All right, instead of going up the elevator, we're gonna head upstairs. See, I'm finna. All right, now we're up here on the 3rd floor. We've got bedroom 1, bathroom 1, bedroom 2. Run down the hall, we got bedroom 3, and we got another balcony. Oh yeah, 3rd floor shenanigans here, guys, I'm telling you. Can you imagine waking up every day to this? Ooh. Oh, there we go. Shut them doors. Look at that view. Wake up in the morning, see that emerald green coast. Ooh, loving it. Let's get to the 4th floor. I'm glad they have an elevator. These stairs are wearing me out. All right, so we made it to the 4th floor. This is where the real magic happens. Guys, here's my little nook. Got all my camera equipment. Drone controllers getting charged up, drones in the bottom there. But we're going down the magic hallway, guys. This is where it's all at. Oh, 4th floor. Yes, sir. Check this out. This right here is where me and the queen sleep. And then you got the 4th floor balcony. All right. As you can see, we're on the 4th floor up here, and what an amazing view to wake up to out here at Port St. Joe. Whatever you do, don't fall. Ah! Yeah, we are all set for this week, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed checking out our crib for the week. Y'all come on back soon. Just remember, through the Lord, you can do everything. Nothing is impossible. This isn't boasting. This isn't being prideful. I work hard for what I got, work hard for what you got, and you can do the same. Guys, God bless you, and we'll see you here soon.
See, I'm finna go beast mode, and the rest of them know how I'm rocking, they know how I pop it, they say I'm a cheat code.